Hello, dear students. So it is Technical YouTuber, and you are now watching our YouTube channel. And this is good morning to all of you. And now we are gonna do here. You can see what we are gonna do. We are gonna today do here. We are gonna do water or water. This is a poem of class third EVS. Water or water. Here you can see this is water or water. You can see and write down if you like to, and share it and subscribe our channel. Question number 1 is that water. First, everybody knows what is water, because when anyone is born he first drinks water. Okay, he drinks water because water is very essential for our existence. We cannot live without water. हम पानी के बगैर जिंदा नहीं रह सकते हैं, और इसे कोनो आब वारा जिंदा रोजेस किया. Next, now I'm gonna show you a fact. The fact is that this is science has proven that a man can live without food for months. 1 month is equal to 30 or 31 days. Okay, 30 or 31 days. This means several months, 2 or 3. Yani, a man can live without food for several months or 90 or 60 days. Okay, but a man cannot live without water for a month, a week. A week is only 7 days, and a man can live without water for 60 days to 90. But without water, he cannot live the 7 days. Okay, this is a fact. Now let us start today's question answer session. So let us start. Question number 1 that is here. Do you know any poem song on the water? Recite it in the class. यानी क्या आपको कोई पोइम पता है या कोई गाना पता है वाटर पे? तो आपको अगर पता है तो वो रिसाइट कीजिए, उसको पढ़िए अपने क्लास में. तो ये है हमारा पहला क्वेश्चन. Okay, the answer is here given by we have wrote the answer here, so you can just copy it from here, because see, the question is this and the answer is like this. Yes, I know a poem on water. Water for the flowers, water for the tree, water for the bird, and water for the bee, water for the rivers and water for the sea, water for the world and water for the me. Okay, this is the poem that is written here, and if you have to just learn it, this poem you have to learn it, and then learn it and recite it in your class. Okay, or sing it. Now question number 2 is here. Which are the places mentioned in the poem and where we find water? Okay, if you know that there is only very little water is very high quantity in the earth. As you know that this is earth and these are the parts. This is land, this is water, and this is land. Okay, land is only 1/2. Okay, the 1/4 of the total mass. Okay, and so there is much water on the earth. So where do we find water? We find water from here: river, waterfall, springs, and lakes. So water rivers आपको पता ही होगा. River means नदी. That is like this. It is flowing and flowing. We cannot stop it, but we can control it by dams. And second is waterfall. If waterfall, if someone lives in Kashmir, he will know what is waterfall, because here are many waterfall, and the famous Aharbal waterfall is also famous here. So you know what is a waterfall. If someone does not know, it is a waterfall. Just simply you can look on the name waterfall, water and fall. This means water falling. When the water comes from a high place, like this is a mountain and it is steep here. When the water comes from here and falls down, so this water is known as waterfall. Okay, because when it flows from a high place, it is very strong force. It comes with a very strong force. Springs, some like hot water springs, and these are springs and lakes. Lakes are present everywhere. Question number 3. Tick the activities for which water is needed. To play, to sing, to row a boat. To row a boat, because what a boat, a boat needs wait a minute. Oh no, water to move, because a boat only swims on or moves on water. Okay, now this means, okay, wait a minute, and okay, this means that right one is boat. To make a tea, to knead a dough. Water is needed for this and this. We cannot make a tea without water. The main ingredient of tea is water. Okay. To run to a fan, to paint pictures, to grow plants. To grow plants, to paint pictures. Okay. Now these are, you can take a screenshot what are but it's too simple, so you can do it by yourself. So let's move on. Question number 4. Name only 4 activities which you can do without water, which you cannot do without water. With water means जिनमें पानी का इस्तेमाल होता है वो एक्टिविटीज़ ये हैं, और जिनमें नहीं होता है वो एक्टिविटीज़ आपको दूसरी बार बतानी है. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट. तो सबसे पहला है डांसिंग, जॉगिंग, वॉकिंग, स्पीकिंग, रनिंग, watching TV, listening to music, etc. Okay, let me underline this. These are the things that you can do, or activities that you can do without water. Okay, don't get confused. You can do these without water, so there is no need of water in these. While as these are the activities that in which we need water: preparing tea, coffee, rice, dal, washing vegetables and fruits, bathing, washing clothes, etc. Okay. Next, arrange the following on the basis of the amount of water that is needed for each of the activities. Begin with the activity that needs the most. Okay. You have seen ascending order or descending order. It's like this. We have to first write here. There are activities to bath, to drink, to clean the house, to water the field. So you have to first write the thing in which the need of water is the most. So this here is given this and this and this and this. Okay. Next, in the poem you read about rivers, waterfalls, lakes and springs. We get water from all the places. Okay, we get all the places there are either in your house or around you. Okay, the answer is lake, well. These are the sources of water: lake, well, tube, pond, waterfall, hand pump, river, steam tap, and tanka, sea, and hot water. Okay, these are water bodies, but we cannot drink water from the sea directly because it is too salty, because the concentration of water is very high in it, so we cannot drink it. Question number 7 is, have you ever seen hot water coming out of the ground? Yes. If somebody, there is answer given, because this is for myself, because I have never seen water coming out, and if I have not seen, so I have given no. If you have seen, you can give yes. So this is your choice, what you have seen or not. Question number 8. Does any river flow through your village or city? If yes, write its name. Okay, Kaveri flows through my city, but this is for other people. But this is for who lives in this city, because I live in city, that is Kulgam town, or you can say. So I will write Vishav, or you, if you live in other city, you can write another river that flows through your city. Question number 9. Do you know the names of any rivers? Write their name. Okay, Yamuna, Ganga, Krishna, and Kaveri, and Vishya, Vishiv. Vishya. And we can also write here Okay, we can also write here Indus. Okay, Indus is also a river. INDUS, Indus. Okay, we can also write here Jhelum, JEHULEM. So there are many rivers. So you can write how many. You can write as many rivers as you can. So it is very interesting to write these rivers, isn't it? Question number 10. At home, where do you get drinking water from? In taps, through the pipelines. Okay, some directly drink through the taps. That means this नल के आप जिनको कहते हैं सब लोग, कुछ लोग वहाँ डायरेक्टली पीते हैं, बट कुछ लोगों के फिल्टर्स होते हैं जैसे कैंट, RO, फिल्टर, प्योरीफायर. These are some filters that you use to purify the water. Do you have any? Question number 11. Do you have to go far to get water? How much time does it? No, we don't have to, because it is before some years before, or I will say many years before, we had to go to many places, matlab very far we had to go to bring water. But today's the science, and I will say there are pipelines today, so it comes through taps and pipelines. So no, we don't have to go to get far water. It comes in the taps through the pipelines. Question number 12. Do your neighbors bring water from the same place? uh, Answer yes, because pipeline so today pipelines are attached to every house. Okay, pipelines are attached to every house, so I think there is nothing, so everybody gets water through pipelines. So question number 13, 14, 15, and okay, there are many questions, but I have, so it needs a large amount of time to submit these. So if I will upload many other questions also, so it will take time and you cannot see them earlier. So I will end the session here, and if you like the video, share the video and subscribe the video. Thank you.